Austin Boy 23 and 14 back at you again with our new and improved mud hole. It's about, let's see how deep it is. It's not that deep right there, but down in there it gets a lot deeper. About to have us some fun. Vroom, vroom. I've already made it through. Woo! Let off the brake. Actually, it ain't that hard to back up out of it. I thought it was going to be harder. Hey. Hit it more of an angle that way instead of going that way. Got it, you got it. Yeah, son. Hey, put it in park for a second. Wait, take it through one more time and the tail's gonna go. Our next contestant, Shayla Danielle Withrow. No, I'm just playing this. I know, that's not anything. Come on, stay on it, stay on it. Park it. Shayla, go. She's got to get her headband ready.
Good.
Oh, we're going to have to FaceTime your brother. Is your iPod at your house? Yeah. You got it? Where is it? Put it up a little bit. All right, right there. And then put that on 7, the yellow on 7. All right, turn it up, 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 up. Bunny, put it on Bunny. Put it in reverse, back it up. Put your foot on the brake. And then put the thing on the right, left to the reverse. Left, left. Keep your foot on the brake. All right, take your foot off the brake. Oh my God. Keep your foot on the brake when you're shifting. All right. Turn it up. Alright, look. Take this tire, keep it right here. Okay? Okay? Go. Stay on it, don't get off. Straighten the wheel up. Turn it off. And that is how you mud.